I'm just so lucky to be a part of this show. You know, it is one of the best shows, not because it's my show, Aryan's show, Shah Rukh's show, but I've seen it and it could have been this, it's just massive.
First of all, thank you for being here and waiting. 30 साल से जैसे मैंने बताया हम साथ में काम कर रहे हैं. हम इतने फॉर्मल हैं नहीं, बट मैंने कभी ऐसा सोचा भी नहीं था कि हमारे देखते देखते हमारे अपने बच्चे हो जाएंगे और कभी हम अपने बच्चों के साथ काम कर रहे होंगे. But I want to say this from the bottom of my heart. I genuinely want to thank you with all my love and informality, and thank you for the fact that you've made this show happen with my son Aryan, and you brought so much warmth, so much love, so much gravitas, and so much dignity for the show. So thank you so much, Bobby, for being part of the Badges of Bollywood.
Woo! Nee, Shah Rukh, this is also, today is the 20th of August. It's a special day for me also because जैसे Shah Rukh कह रहा था, हमारे बच्चे हैं, इसी इंडस्ट्री में आना चाहते हैं, अब आर्यन आ रहा है और this day becomes so special for that because I can feel what's going through you in your heart at this moment. I'm feeling it too because I've seen Aryan when he was younger. Then I met him when he became older one day, and the kind of person he was when I met him, the way he spoke, shared a few things here and there, but I just felt there's something magical about him, as if he was ready to conquer the world, you know. And today's the day, you know. I'm here, Badges of Bollywood. I was just so happy because हम लोग चाहते हैं कि हमारे बच्चे में वो टैलेंट हो, हम वो कर पाएं, और it's such a fear we live with, you know, because हम लोग एक अपनी कहानी है हमारी, हम कहाँ से कहाँ पहुँचे हैं. लेकिन मैं इतना ही कहना चाहता हूँ कि I'm just so lucky to be a part of this show. You know, it is one of the best shows, not because it's my show, Aryan's show, Shah Rukh's show, but I've seen it and it could have been this, it's just massive. Every actor in the show has performed so well. They are all good actors, but it's the director who handles and gets the best out of them. It's not easy. It's very difficult to get the emotions, what you write on paper about each character. And the way Aryan has done that, it's just amazing. You know, everybody from mature characters to younger characters, he's just brought out the best out of everyone. वो अलग बात है, बहुत निचोड़ा हमें, बहुत मेहनत करवाई हमसे, लेकिन मैं बस देखता रहता था, बोलता था one more, I said हाँ कोई बात नहीं बेटा, one more.